Hiya, welcome to another allotment vlog. I've got something exciting. I've got a number. It's backwards on my camera. I don't know if that's gonna flip. Anyway, I got a number. I'm plot number 20. It's very exciting. Don't know why it's exciting, but it's exciting. I was worried about the pond drying out, but flipping heck, it's overflowing. Good job they've got this trench, like I showed you last time. It's working. Flowing down from the top. So yeah, I've just got you now. It's 1:30 on a Sunday. It's dry, so which I don't think is going to be dry for very long actually. I need to crack on. This is the situation at the moment. What I'm going to do is, I really appreciate all the comments people have been leaving me, especially the ones where they've said that I'm going to need to leave this plastic on for a lot longer than, you know, just a couple of days or weeks for it to even do anything. Makes sense actually when you say it. I feel a bit like silly that I thought it would work so quickly, but anyway, I'm gonna fold over the front half because that's where I'm gonna start working first. I think do half a sheet size and then try and turn over as much as possible, get as many of like the roots to the weeds out as possible so they don't just keep growing back, and then in the next couple of days plan where the first raised bed is gonna go. So that's my job today. Time to dig up all these weeds, turn her over a little bit, dig out any big root systems I might have going on there, and maybe make use of these stones and make a bit of a border over there so that I know that that's like a no-go zone after that, because that's where the little stream is. So I'm gonna stick on a podcast because that's where I like to listen to for hours on end, and yeah, get on with it. I don't know if you can see, but the clouds are starting to turn grey. I really hope it doesn't start raining too soon because I feel like I haven't done anything again. So I've just put some stones on the edges, like I said, and started digging up here, and then every time I see these guys by here, oh, not you, sorry worm, whenever I see these guys, shake them off like that, sorry, runny nose, and then put them in there. Oh my god, I just felt a drop of rain. I feel like I've jinxed myself now. Okay, I'm gonna carry on, see how much more I can do. I also have a question, because it wouldn't be one of my videos without a question. I feel like the soil has got a lot of clay in it. I think that's what this is. Now tell me, is that good or is that bad? Do I need to get rid of it? Do I not need to worry about it? I don't know. And again, I just want to say like a massive thank you to everybody who's been leaving me comments, sharing their advice with me, give me tips. It's been really handy and really helpful. Number one, it makes me feel like I'm not talking to myself, and number two, it means that I'm getting like first-hand knowledge from people who've been doing this way longer than I have, and it's the best kind of advice I can find, because I could Google for hours and hours, and I just feel like it doesn't go in my head the same way it does when you guys leave me a comment and leave me your advice, and I really appreciate it. Thank you. Okay, it's just started raining. Do I go home? It's all like done. I can't go home yet. I can't go home. I'm just gonna work in the rain. I'm not gonna be able to film it because my phone will get wet, so I'm gonna put you in my pocket. See you in a bit. So it's 5 to 5 now. I don't know when the last time I spoke to you was, but I think I'm gonna wrap up for the day. I've got 2 buckets of weeds, and I basically try to dig out as much as I can, and any weeds I find or roots I find, I chuck them in the buckets. But this is how it's looking for now. This isn't going to be a bed that I grow in. At the moment, I think I'm just trying to clear as much as possible, because what I don't want to happen is that when I put raised beds there, I don't want loads of weeds to come back. Now, this is probably going to need a second turnover. I think there's still a lot of stuff under there, but it's a start. And yeah, doing this today has reminded me that I'm not going to be able to do the whole plot all at once. I'm not going to have that Pinterest ready allotment this year. It's really hard for me to stomach, but you know, it's true. So I'm going to wrap up here, and then I'm going to take you back to the house and show you what's been going on with the plants growing on my windowsill. I think I'm going to need to put these clothes straight in the wash. What do you think? Covered. So something I haven't mentioned yet in the video is that we were actually away for 5 days between the last video I uploaded and this one. Obviously I didn't announce it because, you know, it's not really safe to do that, and you know, so I didn't really say anything, but I want to show you the plants that I've got growing indoors, because they've been neglected basically for 5 days, and for the entire time I was away I was like, oh my god, they're gonna die, and you know, but I do have some questions, obviously. And if you're wondering why I'm keeping my hat on in my house, look at that. It's because I've got like proper hat hair, and you don't need to see that. So these are how my big pumpkin's doing. Before I went away, this one was that size, and it's grown significantly. But these first leaves, I don't know what the official term is, but they're starting to yellow a little bit there. Looks like it needs the water actually. And these are my tomatoes, which I'm really excited about. I watched a video this morning about pinching them back. I don't think they're ready to be. This one might be. That one might be ready. Not sure. These onions, can I plant them out now? Because I'm sick and tired of them being in here, and they literally look like hay and they look really sad. Here I got more onions. Right, okay, I have questions. My courgette plant and I have questions. What's going on? Does it need watering, or is this a sign of overwatering, or are these leaves supposed to die? This one looks like it's yellowing. I'm really freaking out. I got two on the go with there. That one looks like, I don't know what do I do with this one. I'm stressed. Someone commented to say that it might need repotting and all the nutrients from this compost has gone, so I'm gonna check and tomorrow possibly replant it in another pot, maybe a bigger one. These are my sunflowers. So when I came back, this one and this one both had these like little sad little leaves, and I cut them off, and I think it actually liked that I did that. So if you think I should cut these off, let me know. And then these are my other little baby pumpkins that just look, they look happy, they look okay, they don't look angry at me, so we're good. So that's it for today, guys. I am gonna go in the shower and sort myself out. If you have any feedback or like tips, please leave them in the comments like you have been already. It's been really helpful. Thank you, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.